Okay, now in this video we're going to be placing the doors and the windows to our project model. So if we come right over here and we're going to place the doors here. So for the doors you could go to the architectural tab and click on the door. The shortcut for it is DR, and here in the properties you can see and find many types of doors. So here the single doors we're going to choose let's see, we're going to choose the 1010 by 2110. So this is the 1010 by 2110. This will be chosen for the rooms. So if you just place it on the wall, you can see that the doors will appear there, and just do a mouse click to place them the way you want. And if you don't like the orientation or you want to flip it, you can just press on the space bar. There you go, and now it is flipped to the right direction. Now just do a left click of the mouse and the door will be placed, and the walls will also be edited out. Okay, now again we come over here on the side and we would like to flip it, so we're going to press on the space bar. There you go, it is flipped. Now we have placed the doors on two of the rooms. Now we need to place a door on the washroom. So that door is going to be the 800 by 2110. So this is going to be the door on the washroom. So we're going to choose a place, let's say somewhere around here for the washroom, and then do a mouse click, left click, and the door has been now added. Now we're going to place a main door. So for the main door, we're going to select the exterior door types, and here the door dimension that we're going to be using is the 1810 by 2110. Just select that and place the main door right over here, and if you want the panels to open on from the inside, you just move it around a bit until it is on the inside, and do a left click on the mouse and the door will be added there automatically. Okay, all right, so you can even just press on the escape button to let go of the command, press it again to get the mouse, and then select the door, and then you can use your up, down, left, right arrow keys in your keyboard to move around the door. Okay, all right, so you can use your keyboard to replace the doors as well. Now if you select on the door, it is going to give you the dimensions. So it is 100 millimeters away from this particular this boundary of the wall. If you select this one, you'll see this one is also 100 millimeters away from there. So we're going to make that 200 millimeters. So we just select the dimension and type in 200, hit enter. Now it is 200. Again, select that dimension, click on, and at 200, so it's 200 millimeters away from that. Now you come to the washroom door and select it again, it's 100 millimeters away, so we're going to make it 200 millimeters away from that. Okay, so now we have placed the main doors that we wanted to place there. Now we would want to add in a back door here as well. So this is the kitchen section, and for some reason, let's say that your client wants a back door from there. So you can also add a back door there. We'll just go there, choose a door that is to our liking, place the door somewhere around there, wherever it is suitable, maybe somewhere around here. Just select that, and the door will be added to that location. Okay, so we're not going to be going with the door in that location. We'll just select the door and delete the door, and you'll see that the wall actually turns back on. Okay, all right, so now that we have placed the doors, in the next video we're going to be placing the windows. So that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.